Etsy sellers, I have great news for you today. Something that is just changed in the print-on-demand community. Printful, one of the most popular print-on-demand services, has just lowered their prices. And on May 11th, they are rolling out new pricing. So cue the confetti. Starting May 11th, we get to keep a little bit more of that profit in our pockets with each sale. This beauty company was already my favorite print shop for several reasons, which I do explain in this video here, and I'll go ahead and link it down in the description below if you want to learn a little bit more about that. But things just got even better with Printful. In fact, I can even say things just got $487 better, because that is the extra money I would have been able to keep in my pocket as profit if this price change had been in effect last month during the month of April. My April profits, which you can hear all about in this video here, and I'll also link that one down below, were right around $9,400, but would have been closer to $10,000 had these prices already been in effect. Now I'm filming this video on May 10th and it will actually air on May 12th, so the price change will have just happened. For those of you who may not know, Printful is a service that allows you to create and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, totes, wall art, whole bunch of other items. You don't have to worry about inventory. They print it as you sell it and they ship it for you. You simply upload your designs to the platform and they handle the rest. In this video, we're going to cover their cut-in prices, but we're also going to cover their raise in shipping costs. That's right, they're cutting their prices, but raising their shipping costs. And we're going to really look at what that really means for us. We're going to kind of cover all of the items that are dropping in price, but we're really going to take a deep dive look at the Gildan 64,000 and the Bella Canvas 3001. We're going to look exactly at what that means as far as after the drop in price and the raise in shipping. What does it mean out the door, exactly what it's costing us as sellers to fulfill that order? How much extra profit do we get to keep after all of that has been included? The realistic truth of it all. So do stick around to the end when we do take that comparison of exactly what we're paying now and what we will be paying after on those particular two shirts. Here we are on Printful's website. I do have a link down in the description for Printful. And we see here t-shirts now starting from $9.25 and other pricing updates. Learn about pricing and shipping rate changes going into effect on May 11th. What's changing? We're excited to announce that as of May 11th, we're modifying our prices in order to help you grow your business. Here's what's happening on May 11th. We're lowering product prices for most DTG t-shirt and hoodie bestsellers. That one there is what will personally impact my business the most. They are also, second bullet there, free design and marketing tools that were previously only available to our subscription customers are now available to everyone. I'm not even a subscription customer. I don't use those tools through Printful, but nice to know I can use them for free now. The third bulleted point, shipping rates for t-shirts and hoodies are increasing to be more consistent with the market. That's also going to impact me, but I've already done the numbers and they are super awesome with everything taken into an account there, with the raise in price of shipping and the lowering of prices of the actual items. And that last bulleted point is about their embroidery service fees, which I don't have any of those items in my shop currently, although I think that's a great type of design and niche to get into with the embroidery stuff. I know it sells very well on Etsy. That next section there is what a lot of us are going to find exciting. The DTG bestsellers now starting from $9.25. And we see there, we've identified a number of direct to garment, that's what DTG stands for, products where a price reduction will have the biggest impact on your profit margins. These are the products that are flying off the shelves with thousands of orders being fulfilled by Printful every day, such as The unisex basic soft style t-shirt, Gildan 64,000. This is the one I primarily use, and this is going to save me a little bit of money. The men's classic tee, Gildan 5,000 is on this list. The Bella Canvas 3001, which a lot of sellers use. I do use some of these. The unisex crew neck sweatshirt, the Gildan 18,000. I usually fulfill these with Printify because the prices there are really good for their sweatshirts. The unisex heavy blend hoodie, Gildan 18,500, is also one of these items. Let's take a closer look at all of the items that are going to be dropping in price. The men's classic tee, Gildan 5,000. The Bella Canvas 3001. The Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt. The hoodie, Gildan 18,500. The soft style t-shirt, Gildan 64,000. Men's long sleeve t-shirt or shirt, Gildan 2,400. The men's fitted t-shirt, next level 3,600. Unisex tri-blend t-shirt. The women's racerback tank top. And the men's staple tank top, all dropping in price. And that's not all. We have a second page here. Unisex pullover hoodie, Bella Canvas 3719. The youth staple tee, Bella Canvas 3001. I have a lot of those in my shop. Unisex long sleeve tee, Bella Canvas 3501. That's the brand I use when I want to do a long sleeve. The women's relaxed t-shirt, Bella Canvas 6400. We have that tote bag. Premium hoodie from Cotton Heritage and the premium sweatshirt from Cotton Heritage. So we're going to be comparing the USA prices, but right here is where you could toggle back and forth to see the Europe, Canada, and UK prices. For this video, we're going to focus on the Bella Canvas 3001 and the Gildan Soft Style T-shirt 64,000. And we're going to look at mediums, just to kind of keep it simple and easy for us. We see that Printful is now charging different prices for different colors. They didn't used to do that, but it looks like they've kind of segmented each color section off. So let's look at mediums there. So some of the colors are $12.95 right now, but will be $11.50 come May 11th. And some of the other colors are $13.55 right now, but will be $12.10. My favorite t-shirt is the unisex basic soft style t-shirt, Gildan 64,000. Basically just because it's a great quality t-shirt for the very best price possible. We see here the medium was $9.95, and starting May 11th, it'll drop to $9.25. FYI, black t-shirts are known to be the t-shirt color that is purchased most often. So if I'm using a black t-shirt or any of the colors that are available with the Gildan 64,000, I do use the Gildan 64,000. If I do want to offer a different color, then I swap over to the Bella Canvas. I do make it clear in my listing photos and in my description which brand t-shirt customers are receiving, because you always want to make sure they are not surprised by what they get in the mail. Now let's jump into exactly what this means. What are the exact numbers for the Gildans and the Bella Canvas shirts? But before we do, if you are enjoying this video, if you wouldn't mind just taking a second to smash the like button, as that really helps me grow on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss the next video coming out. Also, I just want to take this second to invite you to drop down in the comments and let us know what print-on-demand company you use if you are doing print-on-demand with Etsy or another platform. And tell us why, because this can really help a new person that's trying to figure out which print-on-demand company to use. It could give them a little guidance as they are searching through those comments, I'm sure, for some advice. So let's take a deeper dive and see what this really means when we're looking at the Gildan 64,000. So right now the current pricing is $9.95. Now, Printful does have tiered pricing, and you can earn a 5%, a 7%, an 8%, and 9% discount. But for the purpose of today's video, we're just going to go with their regular pricing before you would earn any of their discounts. So right now, regular pricing, $9.95. Shipping is currently $3.99. And that brings a total for your t-shirt to $13.94 currently. Coming up on May 11th, the shirt is going to be reduced to $9.25. But the shipping is going up on that shirt to $4.69, bringing your total for the shirt to $13.94, the same exact price. Now you might be scratching your head and wondering why I sounded like this was something that I was excited about. First of all, it's really rare for prices to be dropped. So it is normal for prices to be raised over time. So the fact that the shipping went up isn't super surprising. I am thankful that the price of the t-shirt went down, so I'm unaffected by this. However, where I am going to feel a nice positive impact, and where you could feel a nice positive impact, is where we are getting orders with more than one shirt in them. The shipping cost right now is $2 for an additional shirt that's added to the order. That's how much Printful charges us. On May 11th, it's going up to $2.20. So another, additional charge there, 20 cents. However, that charge for the shirt is only $9.25. So on that second shirt, it's actually 50 cents cheaper for you to fulfill and ship that second shirt. That is to say, orders with one shirt, we will be paying the same exact price, and orders with two shirts, we will save 50 cents. And according to my numbers from last month, I had 974 orders. And those orders averaged about 2 shirts per order. And after you do the math on that, that puts an extra $487 in my profit pocket. Now let's take a quick peek at what this really means for the Bella Canvas 3001, since I know a lot of us are using this t-shirt also. Currently, the pricing for the Bella Canvas is $12.95. The shipping is $3.99. And that brings us to a total of $16.94 out the door to get that shirt to our customer. That's our total cost. May 11th, that shirt is going to drop to $11.50. The shipping is going to be $4.69. And that is going to give us a total of $16.19 to get that shirt out the door and to our customer. Now, I'm going to figure out on the calculator real quick. That is a difference of 75 cents. That is to say, you are saving 75 cents on just one shirt, one sale of the Bella Canvas. Now, let's take a look at what happens when you add a shirt. You get an order with 2 shirts in it. Your shipping cost for the additional shirt right now is $2. On May 11th, it'll be $2.20. That brings the total cost right now to $31.89 for 2 shirts. And on May 11th, it'll be $29.89 for the 2 shirts. So you'll actually save $2 every time you have an order going out with 2 shirts in it. It's $2 more profit in your pocket. In the end, what this means for us is that we can now create and sell our custom products at an even more affordable price. And that means we get to increase our profit margins. That means you can reinvest that into your business in the form of ads to help your business grow faster, or you can just keep more profit at the end of the day in your pocket. Again, I do have a link to Printful if you do want to give them a try down in the description below. And you can join me in this video here if you want to hear more about Printful and Printify, what I think is great about each. I do rely more heavily on Printful to support me throughout my POD journey, and I really do highlight the reasons why that is in the video. So I hope I'll see you there, but of course, not until after this tip from Tucker. So, Tucker, take it away!